Manny and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are fine. So as you have read by the title, this video is gonna be really fun and exciting because I'm gonna collaborating with my best friend Suparna. This one is the second one. The first collab is on her channel, so please don't forget to check it out because it's really hilarious and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So yeah, come, let's meet her.
Hi guys, I am Suparna and I am here at your Annie's channel, that is Ananya's channel. Yeah, so we are going to do a very fun video today. It's all about who is more likely to. I think that this is going to be fun, and for the first time we are collaborating with each other, so yay. So without any more further ado, let's get started.
This video is basically gonna be about 10 questions about who is most likely to, and we have to choose between Annie, which is me, and Suppu, which is Suparna, that who is most likely to do the mentioned questions. So I think that's gonna be really fun. So yeah, please keep on watching. Start with the first question. Who is most likely to be a drama queen? I don't think we are so much of a drama queen, but
oh my god! Wow!
if you ask the question about among two of us, I would choose sorry babe, because she keeps on doing some drama or the other. I think it's her. Sorry.
Me guys, me.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल.
I know she will say that I am the one. Yes, I also do think that I am the one. Like drama queen in sense, नखरे करती हूँ हाँ. हाँ, so that's that. I don't want to give any explanations. Sometimes like I do tantrums. Okay, so moving on to the next question. The next question is who is most likely to marry a celebrity? I think both of us, because we both have a huge crush on celebrities. And I think we both would do want to marry a celebrity, because why not, guys?
Okay, so I think this has to be me because I keep on having crush on some celebrity or the others. So I think it has to be me. Third one is who is most likely always to be happy. This is Suppu. For sure. I mean, if she is having a bad day, you will never understand by looking at her. It's impossible to understand her because she is always smiling and giving a look which I love actually. She is very lively, which attracts me the most about her. So yeah, it's Suppu.
Again, both of us, because we have went through a very similar situation together, and we have handled it with very much positivity and with a lot of positive vibes, and we didn't want to hamper our own happiness in the process of healing us or handling any situations. So I think whatever the situation comes or whatever the situation has came, so we have handled it with a lot of positive energy and a lot of positivity, because at the end of the day I feel like that if you are not filled with a lot of positivity, then how would you spread positive vibes, right? So you should stay happy no matter what the situation, because I think the key to stay happy is to love yourself enough to let all the shitty things go. The next question is who is most likely to do weird things in public? Me. A little bit she also does, but moreover I do, guys. I do a lot of weird things, like whenever we go out together, we behave like insane. I don't know. We behave like mad persons, roaming out here and there and making fun of each other, making fun of a tree, making fun of everything out there. And I don't know, I do I make weird faces in front of, like in a public place or a crowded place. She's standing, like she's saying, "Uff, ki gorom lagche, bus ashche na," and I be like, really? Like, I don't know. I can't explain you guys. Or whatever we do,
I think it's both of us, but the one who does the most, I think it's me. So
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I don't want to tell anything about this because just I'm gonna answer because that is me. Number 5 is who is most likely to get married first. I want her to get married first, no matter what. I want to enjoy her wedding, being a bachelor. To be honest, that's all I can say.
I don't know. She thinks that I am the one who is most likely to get married first, but I think the vice versa can also happen, guys. It's just whenever I feel like I want to get married, I will.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a...
It's my choice, and so does hers. Choice is that whenever she wants to get married. So I don't think that like she thinks so that I'm the one who will get married first. I don't think so. I think if I also do marry first, then what's the problem? Like, it's okay. I felt like marrying, so I married. So that's okay. So the next question is, who is most likely to get involved in a fight or get in a fight? She. Of course she, because she loses her temper very fast, and I think whenever somebody talks shit, like not shit, I think she misunderstands the thing, or whatever she feels like she speaks. I don't know, matlab, she don't have that patience to think twice, but it's not that it doesn't bother her. She's like, okay, I have told, so I have told. What happened? Nothing happened. It's like, calm down, calm down.
So hot. Okay, number 6. Who is most likely to get in a fight? I am really short-tempered, guys. I would definitely get into a fight rather than Suparna, because she is very calm and quiet, and I am the one who is really short-tempered. So this has to be me for sure. Number 7. Who is most likely to talk to animals? Again, me. मुझे पागल मत समझो, unsubscribe मत कर दो.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
क्योंकि मैं थोड़ी तो पागल हूँ, वरना मैं एनिमल से कैसे बात कर सकती हूँ? मतलब मैं तो करती हूँ भाई. I love animals. I love talking to them so much. So yeah.
She, Ananya, because we both love animals, but I think she loves more than me, and she always share pictures of animals and she adores them. I also do that, but not more than her. And I think whenever she will see a dog passing by her, she will oh, Kikuchu. She start talking to them. So yeah, she. The next question is, who is most likely to worry about small things?
Who are you?
I am a big time overthinker. I literally overthink about everything and anything. I am working on it. Stop overthinking so much, because it sometimes hampers my entire mood. I feel so bad and so mentally depressed sometimes just because of overthinking something, and end up feeling worse from inside. So I think, I don't know, anytime anything happens to me, I start thinking about it and start assuming a lot of things, I don't know, I'm just an overthinker, and that's my problem.
This has to be definitely Miss Suparna Majumdar. I don't know why, but she gets worried about little things so freaking much and calls me immediately. Ye hua, wo hua, ab main kya karu, tu bolna. And I think that's completely okay for me because she's my best friend. Second last is, who is most likely to laugh at wrong moment? I have to do this now, yaar. freaking time, guys. I can't explain to you how much we do this, and that is really embarrassing after that incident. When we talk about that and we feel really embarrassed, like हमने ये क्या कर दिया यार, नहीं करना चाहिए था. But yeah, it's both of us.
Both of us, guys, we have a talent of like laughing out without any reason at a very wrong place, in front of a very wrong person, or in a wrong situation. Because a lot of time we when we used to go to college and we used to like something, a serious situation, conversation is going on, we used to like laugh at each other without any reason. I don't know why, it just comes out within us. We cannot stop it. Like we know that if we laugh at this moment, it's not good, we shouldn't. But then also, क्या किया जा सकता है, आदत से मजबूर.
Last question but not the least is, who is most likely to spend all their money on something stupid? Okay, ये भी कोई पूछने की वाली question है क्या? हम दोनों. Because whenever we see a sale on Purple, Nykaa or Myntra, we have to buy something or the other, because even if we don't need anything, we have to buy it. Because we have to spend money on something stupid, right? Yeah, so it's definitely gonna both of us.
We are the queen of spending money on stupid things. Like, yeah, not stupid things, but we buy things unnecessarily. Like if we have something with us and we know that अभी नहीं भी खरीदेंगे तो काम चल जाएगा. If we get money, if we get 100 rupees also, we'll buy things. But in this lockdown, we are actually buying a lot of stuff. But ऐसे normal time में we spend money, all our money on food, because we both are a big time foodie. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us. I also do have my YouTube channel. You can surely go and check it out. I think she will provide the link in her description box. So yeah, also let us know in the comment section below that what more challenges you want us to do. We will love it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope to see you guys super soon. And also do subscribe to her channel. Share this video with your friends, family, everyone. And yeah, we'll be back with another super exciting challenge video. Until we meet, keep laughing, keep loving, take care.
So that's it for today's video. Hope you all have enjoyed it, because I personally had really fun doing this, and I'm really eager to know what Suparna's answers will be. So yeah, if you loved it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also Suparna's channel. I'll leave the link of that video in the description box below, so please don't forget to check it out also. So yeah, bye bye.